Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So there's quite a bit of red in the entire crypto space, and a lot of people are wondering what is going on, and especially for Cardano, because the big upgrade for Cardano, the Alonzo hard fork, was put in place just yesterday, September 12th, and what are we seeing? We're seeing the price of Cardano going down, and a lot of people are wondering, why is it going down when this big catalyst that so many people were saying that Cardano is going to 5x, 10x, 20x from, or even 100x. I've seen those videos. Why is it going down when there's been this much hype behind it? And the problem is the fact that there was that much hype behind it. Now, I've been saying in all my Cardano videos that it's very possible that you are going to see the price of Cardano dip. You're going to see a correction with Cardano. And I've even kind of poked fun at the people that are saying it could 100x. But anyways, what's really going on here is just so much with that upgrade has been priced into Cardano, and same with other cryptocurrencies as well, like what we saw with Bitcoin happen recently when Bitcoin dropped. That with the whole El Salvador inception there, that had to do with the fact that that was already priced into the market, and then when we hit that, it's like, where do we go from here? And that's the same thing that's going on with Cardano. Where do we go from here? We've now hit this point. Now, where do we go? Now, honestly, I'm bullish on Cardano, and I welcome the price of Cardano dropping. Not a problem for me. I welcome it. It's a better buying opportunity, and it kind of just gets rid of, it kind of cancels out a lot of that hype that it had, and makes it back to reality a bit. Now we have the catalyst priced into it now, and it's kind of like, where do we go from here? And if we go up a little bit, or if we go down a little bit, it's all fine in the long run. It's all about what are you invested in Cardano for. We're invested into Cardano for the technology that it has to offer, with the smart contracts, with the proof of stake. All that jazz is what we like about it. That's why we're invested into it. And no surprise that it's going to dip here and there. It's just natural. Corrections are natural. And that's just stuff that you have to expect in a volatile market, which cryptocurrencies are very volatile. Now, with Cardano, this is something that you're going to have to expect that it can go down more, but at the same time, as we get better and better catalysts with Cardano, and we get more and more corrections, you're going to possibly see much larger gains, in my opinion. Now, none of that's any sort of financial advice, just my own personal opinion. And I also recommend everybody that watches my videos do your research on Cardano and get pretty educated on it. There's a lot of good information on their actual website, which is a good place to start. Now, anyways, let's go into Cardano, get into a technical analysis, and just talk a little bit about what's going on at this moment. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. It helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm and helps spread these videos to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe if you have not already. And if you're interested in being a Patreon, join the private Discord where we can talk about stocks and crypto. I have one link in the description. Thank you to all the Patreons. Now let's get to it. Now, looking at the entire crypto space, we do have a good amount of red all the way across. It looks like the entire crypto market is in the red at this time. Now we have Bitcoin down a little bit, Ethereum down a little bit, and we currently have Cardano down a little bit less than 6% at this time. Now, to do a very basic technical analysis, it's very easy just to figure out the different support and resistance that Cardano has had by looking at in the past. Looking at where Cardano was not just in this last week, but looking at it month out, and then even going more out from there. And when we do pan out, we do look at Cardano, we do look at the area that it had a lot of resistance in its last big bull run that it had. It's very easy to understand that the price that Cardano is at right now in the $2.40 range, that's an area that its last big run that it had a lot of resistance at. So right now, if you think about that, if you think about the previous big bull run that Cardano had back in May, how it had topped out at about $2.40, and oddly, it corrects down to $2.40. It should make some sort of sense that, hey, we kind of just priced ourselves into Cardano. This makes a little bit more sense now when looking at it. So for my newer audience, I know I have a lot of new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. But what I want to say is that I've been keeping track of Cardano pretty well here in these videos, and I've been calling it pretty accurately with the support and resistance that we were going to be seeing at these different price points. When Cardano was at $2.70, when it was above that, I was saying that Cardano can't go to $3 until it can surpass a resistance of $2.95, and then if it can go past resistance of $2.95, it needs to find support above $3.10, which we never found support above $3.10 in the past. We hit that $3.10, never found support, and then that's what eventually led to Cardano dropping quite a bit. And if they can't find support at the support lines, then they fall through the support lines, and then that support line then becomes a resistance line. Just for the people that aren't familiar with how exactly this works. And that's why we have these drops in Cardano that can fall through the support lines and then keep crashing through them and then finding a new spot where it's going to have a lot of support. So where we're at currently with this $2.40 area, staying between $2.40 and $2.55 right now, that's just an area where we have a lot of support and resistance. We really need to be surpassing that to get to that next resistance area of the $2.70. And then if we can successfully go above that 270, find support above that, and then we're back on the course of trying to get Cardano back above the 295 mark to getting it to a place where it can find support above $3.10. That's the big goal, and that's an area that's going to be very hard to achieve. That's why we've only seen it go to $3 very briefly and then not be sustainable. It needs to find support above $3.10. It's not going to find support at $3. It's going to find support at $2.95. And that's the area where it's going to be. That's just how I've been tracking it. I've been keeping up with it. And it looks like it's very accurate, in my opinion. Now, when we think about the smart contracts related to ADA, we've been looking forward to this for a very long time. People have been very bullish on the day that this does happen. And when we did hit it, of course, it dropped down a little bit. But that's something that can also be expected. Now, what we really need to be doing is we need to start accepting Cardano now at it being at phase one of a brand new beginning with the smart contracts priced in. And with that, we got to see where does this build on from here, because now this starts a whole new beginning for Cardano. This is a brand new feature with this, and before that, it was just a cryptocurrency that people had that we didn't really know what to do with it, but now it has a purpose. It has more of a meaning with the smart contract. So where does it go from here? And that's what we need to be looking forward to. So with that being said, I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts and opinions on Cardano. Where do you guys see this going by the end of 2021? Where do you guys see it kicking off 2022? I'd like to know. So please let me know in the comments section. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video coming very soon.